Greetings everyone. This is a complete tutorial of mechatronic project 4-wheel drive Bluetooth controlled car using Arduino Uno control unit. Okay, let's go into the video step by step. This is the final output of your project. You can control the car using mobile phone. Now we going to see list of components which I use for this project. This is chassis of the vehicle, and this is Arduino Uno R3 control unit, and this is L298 motor module, HC05 Bluetooth module, this is wire jumper, 3.7 lithium ion battery, 3-cell holder, Arduino Uno program cable. This is charger for lithium ion battery. Okay, let's unpack. I am going to solder the motor. I have 4 motor for 4 wheels, so this is a 4-wheel project. So I am going to do soldering for all the motor. This is a simple stepper motor. Just have 2 pins, positive and negative. Okay, I finished soldering. Then I finished for all the motor. Now all 4 motors are ready to assemble with the chassis of the vehicle. Here is the base chassis, and these are all the clamps, screws and everything which come along with your complete pack. Okay, let's unbox everything. Here is a complete kit for motor, 2 chassis, one for upper, one for lower, screws, motor support holder, pillars, everything, screws and everything. Okay, I just mount 2 motors in the base chassis. You see, I just use 2 motor holder clamps. It's hold my motor in the chassis. Okay, I'm going to show you. This is the motor holder clamp. So you need to use 2. So one for one side, another for another side. One goes this way and it comes out from down to up this way, and another one just stick from outside. That's it. And you need to place your motor in between these 2 clamps. After you screw, and it's become very tight, and this is really good holder for this motor. So you need to follow this procedure. Then all the motor is ready. Right now I make the 3 motor. Now I make all the 4 motor. It's ready. This is the first step. So I just mount all the 4 motor in my base chassis. You see, have a clear look. Okay, now I am going to assemble the pillar. This pillar is used for assemble the top chassis of the vehicle. So this is the pillar, like a hexagonal shape. Totally we have 6 pillars. I am going to assemble with screws. Okay, I assemble all 6 pillars. Now the second step is finished, and here is a wiring diagram. This is the wiring diagram I follow. After this, I just give all the wiring same like this, but I connect my motor module under the vehicle, and here is a Bluetooth module. Both motor module and Bluetooth module I just place under the vehicle. Only we have 3 control unit, 3 electronic component. This is motor module, this is Bluetooth module, and all the wires are inside only. I just take out some little wires, that's it, and I just mount my main control unit Arduino Uno in the top of the vehicle. In the top of the vehicle it seems like this, just battery pack and the main control unit. So you need to plug in all the socket as per the wiring diagram. I just plugged in all the socket as per the wiring diagram. Everything looks great, and the battery is also easy accessible for recharging in the future. So I'm going to make a screw for the pillar, and it's going to hold my base chassis and top chassis perfectly. So I'm going to follow the same step for all the 6 pillars. Okay, let's have a look. This is front side, and the front side we have Bluetooth module. This is back side, we have motor module, and the top we have control unit. Okay, I hope this is really a clear view of the vehicle, and we're going to do a program. We finished everything. Before you going to do the program, I just disconnect this 2 jumper which is coming from the Bluetooth module. I'm going to just disconnect this 2 jumpers, that's it. Right now I'm going to do program, so for that you need to disconnect this 2 jumper, that is RX and TX from the Bluetooth module. Okay, now I am going to program our Arduino Uno control unit. So I am going to plug in USB B type in the Arduino Uno control unit. Okay, till everything is really good, and we have software especially for Arduino. So this is the software, and I have the program for this. First you need to verify your program. Right now this is verifying. The first menu is verifying the program. After you verified the program, in the bottom menu it shows everything fine. If you have some error means it shows the error. For me, I don't have any error. So right now I go to tool and I just check confirm. I check Arduino Uno board, and my port is COM-B. Everything is fine. Now I go into second menu, that is upload. If I give upload means the program is uploaded to my control unit automatically. That's it. First you need to verify your program. After you need to upload your program to your control unit. That's it. After you upload your program, then cars move automatically. Let's see. Yeah, that's it. We programmed the control unit successfully. You see, everything going very fine. Right now I'm going to unplug the cable. Everything is fine, and this is the important step. you need to plug in back that RX and TX from the Bluetooth module to your control unit. After you program, you need to do this. This is compulsory. Now I jump into my mobile phone. I just turn on the Bluetooth. My Bluetooth module is HC05 and the pin is 1234. This is regular for all HC05 Bluetooth module. Yeah, it's paired successfully. This is an application for your Arduino board. I just installed it. It has lot of options. I am going to choose control car, and this is the keys. Before, we already pair HC05 Bluetooth module. I just connect again. Now it's connected. This is the key functions: right, left, up, down. That's it. The communication between this application and our car is really very quick and is responds very perfectly. Finally, we are coming to the testing time. I hope this complete tutorial help you to build this car project, and if you want all the components for this project, just comment me in this video and I am happy to help you out. In the description I upload the complete program of this car. You just copy all the program and paste it in your Arduino software in your PC, then upload it in your control unit. That's it. So I am going to give some more details in the description. Please read everything. I hope you enjoy this project. As a automobile enthusiastic person, I personally like this project very much.